Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today, I've got a dish that I've seen on the internet now for, I don't know, a long time. It's pizza cups. Basically, it's a cupcake pizza, you know. But sounds really good. I've just never tried it, but we're gonna try her today. So, if you think something you'd like to try, sit back, relax, grab your favorite beverage, and I'll get to cooking. Alright y'all, start this out. Need to make the filling, and that's going to consist of about a half a pound of ground beef. Now the original recipe just called for ground beef. I'm going to put pepperoni, Italian sausage, onion, mushroom, ham, bacon. I'm all loaded up, so y'all can put in there what you want, but this is what I'm going to use. We're going to start out with get our hamburger and our Italian sausage browning up, and this is frozen. I had it in the freezer, so we're going to use it up. So let me get this started and going, and when we move to the next step, we'll bring you all back. Alright y'all, I got that. There's just a little bit of pink left in there, but we need to cook our onions and our mushrooms, so we're going to go ahead and throw that in there. We're going to throw some ham in there. Let that get, we just got to warm the ham up, that's all. And we're going to throw our bacon in there. Yeah. Didn't have that much left, so we're going to do that. And of course, can't have pizza without pepperoni, so I'm going to throw the pepperoni in there. Alright. I'm going to turn the heat down here. Put the lid back on her. We're just going to let it kind of simmer here for a little bit. Let all that get warmed up. Whatever grease is left in there, we'll get that out of there. And we'll be ready to do the one last step before we start making the cups and filling them and stuff. So y'all just hang out. Alright y'all, I got that stuff all kind of warmed up. The last thing is I'm going to put a can of Chef Boyardee pizza sauce in here. I'm using the Chef Boyardee because that's what I want to use, and it has cheese in it, so, but kind of takes me back to my young days whenever I used to buy the Chef Boyardee pizza boxes, you know, where you make your own pizza. Had all the stuff in it, so I like the flavor of it. Like I said, it just kind of brings me back. So alright, get that all mixed in there. Y'all, this smells so good. It smells like a pizza. Ooh, ooh. Hot, hot, hot. So, that tastes pretty good too. Alright, I'm going to let this simmer a little bit. Get some more of that liquid out of there, so it kind of thickens up. And when it after that happens, I'm going to shut the heat off. Kind of let it cool, not quite the room temperature, but let it cool down some so it doesn't start cooking our dough cups. So let me get this done, and when we get ready to actually make them up and bake them, we'll bring you back. Alright y'all, got my oven preheated, and I just used the temperature on the biscuits because we're using biscuits as our crust. So pop goes the weasel. Alright, this burner's still a little bit warm, but I think we can work with it. So, alright, it says to stretch your dough out, biscuit out, press it down in the cup. Okay, that's not working out real well for me. Try to push it out a little bit further, a little thinner. Alright, guess that's a little better. Try putting it on the cutting board here. Hey, that works a lot better. Hey, look at that. Just trying not to push a hole through it, that's all. Alright, there's our first 6. Now, take a little scoopy thing here. And scoop you some of the filling in there. And the recipe didn't, or on the internet there, they didn't say how much to put in. So we're just gonna kind of fill them up, hope for the best. Alright, and I got some sliced up mozzarella cheese here. I'm going to put a couple pieces on each one. And the original one said to use like a cheese stick, like a string cheese thing, stick it down through the middle. Well, I didn't have any string cheeses, and I did have mozzarella, so that's what we're going to use. Alright, there's the first 6. I'm going to do up some more over here, and we'll get the other one done. I'm going to throw them in the oven for about 12 minutes. So I'm going to do that off camera. We'll bring you guys back after we get them all baked up. Alright, y'all. These things look like they turned out really good. So I'm going to let them cool just a bit. And after they get a little cool, we'll pop one out, cut her open, and do a little taste test. But they look really, really good, and they smell awesome. So, alright. Alright, y'all. I just wanted to give y'all a little look and see how those things turned out. Those things are crispy, crispy, crispy. Woo! Turned out a lot better than I thought they might. Give them a spin here. Yeah. All right. I'm going to let them cool a little more. We'll do our taste test. Let's look at that, y'all. Yum. That looks awesome. Woo. Can't wait to try them. All right, y'all. Time for the taste test. I really wish I had smell-o-vision, so. Y'all, that's some of the best pizza I've had. Them biscuits, you can't really tell the difference between the biscuits and the the pizza dough. They get crispy on the outside, got a little crunch to them. Wow. And the fillings, that's my pizza, man. Lots and lots of filling, you know, the toppings. Cheese is good. Ooh, lovely. I love it. Definitely gonna be making them again. So, all right, y'all. There you have it. Pizza cups. I tried them. Hope you're gonna try them too. If you like this video, think you might gonna try it, please hit that thumbs up button. You know, if you're new to the channel and this is the first video you've seen of mine, I'm Polar Bear Ed. Go down there, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. You'll get a bunch of cooking videos like this. You'll get some garage videos where we're working on the pulling tractors or some cars or whatever. And season's coming up. We're going to be doing some tractor pulling, so get some videos on that too. So, all right, that's all I got for you all today. And as always, bon appetit.